Now let us solve another numerical number 3. Okay. So what it says, it's a TAT type of question, right? TAT means you have to fill the values. So you know that in GATE examination, they are also asking a lot of TAT questions, right? In TAT questions, what you have to do, you have to put the values inside the blank, okay? Now, the modulus of elasticity for M20 grade concrete, M20 concrete in megapascals, modulus of elasticity, right? For M20 concrete in megapascals, megapascals means Newton per mm square. Now 1 megapascal is equals to 1 Newton per mm square. Okay. After 28 days would be, take theta c is equals to 1.6 for 28 days, right? So in this question, theta c has been given to you. If theta c has not been given to you, what I have told you, you have to learn the values, okay? So now it's a very straightforward question, so let us solve the question. Now modulus of elasticity for M20 grade concrete after 28 days. After 28 days, it means that he is asking for a long-term modulus of elasticity, right? Now, we know that the long-term modulus of elasticity, ET or EF, you can say, it is equals to EC divided by 1 plus theta. I have already told you, right? This is the solution. Right? So it is equals to EC upon 1 plus theta. Now for 28 days, theta has been given to me as 1.6. But the thing is that I don't know the value of EC. But IS code has recommended that the initial modulus of elasticity is given by 5000 root FCK, which I already told you, right? So it will be equal to, EC will be equal to 5000 under root of, what is the characteristic strength for M20? It is 20. It is equals to 20. So what will be the answer? Calculate yourself. The answer would be 5000 root 20. So it comes out to be 22360.67. It is equals to 22360.67 Newton per mm square. Clear? Now what I have to do? I have to put this value in this equation. I have to put this value in this equation. What I will get? The final modulus of elasticity after the end of 28 days will be equal to EC, which is 22360.67 divided by 1 plus theta. So 1 plus 1.6. It means that the answer would be, if I have to divide this with 2.6. So the answer would be 22360.67 divided by 2.6. It comes out to be 8600.26. It comes out to be 8600.26 Newton per mm square or MPa. You put the value here. This is your answer. 8600.26 Newton per mm square. Right? So we have solved this numerical. Some other type of numericals can also come from the for the same concept. They can twist the numerical. They may be asking you the tension modulus, right? They can be asking you the tensile strength. A lot of questions they can be asking, right? So you know how to solve these types of numerical. It is very easy. Okay. Now let us move forward for the fourth type of numerical which can come in examination. Okay. So let us see it.